decision without bringing him here.
I tried to stop
Next Tuesday.
You're not getting out on.
I'm trying to give us a future. If that means stepping outside the lines, then that is exactly what I am gonna do.
This is gonna end up bad.
Sons of Anarchy. All new next Tuesday at 10, only on FX.